Well, it's an epidemic, and we're seeing more overdose than we've ever seen before, and it's sad. But you know, we know it starts at home. Most of it. We know teenagers are trying different things and things that they don't even know, and so that's why I'm excited about these kids. Well, we're going to take that 1,000. We're going to put a kit in everybody's car, and we're going to keep a few here too in case somebody walks in or something that they don't understand how to do it or whatever it may be, and we can explain to them.
We've had a very good partnership with law enforcement and find it very helpful, in fact critical, to work closely with our law enforcement partners. They often see the signs of the epidemic before our treatment providers do, and they can be a first step in getting people into, first of all, safe situations, getting them into treatment, and also making sure that we help people who are coming out of jail settings get into effective treatment.
Well, when I first became sheriff, you know, I looked around and saw, hey, we got the biggest mental health hospital in the state, and reaching out to Alliance Behavioral Health, it's been a godsend to us. You know, they come to our jail, they answer our questions, they're there when we need them. We just need more of them. When I say that, because what we do, we're trying to train all of our officers CIT trained, and we know it takes volunteers. But we're just proud to be a good partner with y'all.
We'd like to thank Sheriff Harrison and the Wake County Sheriff's Department for their collaboration on this initiative, as well as many others, including CIT training for officers and training in mental health first aid.